Picture this, mamas. You are lounging in a private cabana in Malibu, the ocean breeze is perfection, you have your designer sunglasses on, and suddenly your little one decides it is time for lunch. Breastfeeding at the beach sounds like a dream, but between the blazing sun, sticky salt water, and sand getting absolutely everywhere, it can turn into a total high-stress mess real quick. If you are planning a luxury beach getaway this season, you do not have to hide away in a stuffy hotel room just to feed your baby. Today, we are spilling the tea on how to breastfeed at the beach like a total VIP, keeping it completely chic, comfortable, and stress-free. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your ultimate guide to navigating motherhood without sacrificing your high-end aesthetic. Grab a green juice and let's dive into the ultimate bougie guide to beachside nursing. First things first, let's talk about your environment, because you cannot expect a peaceful feeding session if you are melting on a basic towel. Setting up a designated luxury clean zone is an absolute game changer. Ditch the old school pop-up tents that take an hour to assemble. Instead, invest in a sleek sunshade like a Shabumi or a premium Niso tent that matches your vibe. You also need a gorgeous, wipeable leather mat, like a giant gatre mat, to keep a hard barrier between the sand and your skin. Before you even think about latching your baby, use a luxurious, organic body mist or high-end water wipes to clean any salty residue off your skin. Trust me, babies absolutely hate the taste of salt water, and a quick wipe down ensures a smooth, happy feed without a mid-beach meltdown. Next up, let's talk about the gear that will make you feel like the ultimate beach goddess. If you're nursing directly, a beautiful, lightweight linen button-down from a brand like Jenny Kane or a luxury silk cover-up is your best friend. It gives you instant access while keeping you completely protected from the sun. But if you are a pumping mama who wants to maintain your supply while working on your tan, you need a solid plan. Do not even think about bringing a plug-in pump to the beach. You need completely cordless, wearable pumps like the LV or Willow that slip right into a chic swimwear top. Pair that with a luxury travel chiller like the CS Chill, which looks like a high-end water bottle and keeps your liquid gold ice cold for over 20 hours even in 90-degree heat. Toss it all into an oversized designer tote like a Mono's or a Raffia Prada bag, and you are ready to conquer the shoreline. Finally, let's talk about taking care of you, because producing that liquid gold under the hot sun takes a massive toll on your body. Dehydration is the ultimate enemy of your milk supply. Forget regular plastic water bottles that get warm in 5 minutes. You need an insulated Stanley or a sleek Yeti tumbler packed with ice-cold water and electrolyte packets to keep your hydration levels on point. Treat yourself to a premium snack spread, think fresh organic berries, chilled almonds, and maybe a refreshing mocktail to keep your energy up. Nursing at the beach uses up a ton of extra calories, so pampering yourself with high-end snacks isn't just a luxury, it is totally necessary for your peace of mind. Vacationing as a breastfeeding mama should feel like a true getaway, not a chore. With the right upscale gear and a few smart hacks, you can enjoy the ocean waves while giving your baby the absolute best. If you loved these tips and want more real talk on luxury travel, high-end baby gear, and stylish parenting, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you are planning a beach vacation soon, and drop a comment below sharing your absolute favorite luxury beach destination. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Stay fabulous, mamas.